Today we are going to discuss about the Indian industry. The Indian industry is one of the biggest contributing part in the GDP, and it is also known as the secondary sector as well. So in the Indian industry, basically we have, or you can say the Indian industry is divided into the various parts. This is based on the usage, based on the ownership, based on capital, and based on enterprises or types. So based on the usage, once again the industrial industry is divided into the three types: basic industry, consumer based industry, and intermediate goods industry. Now what is basic industry? Under this all the heavy engineering and machines will come. So all the industries which are related to this kind of the projects or this kind of the goods are comes and known as the basic industry. Next is consumer good industry. Under this all the FMCG product means fast manufacturing consumer goods like all the chips, biscuits, all the eatable, all the groceries will comes under this. These are known as the consumer goods industry. Then we have the intermediate goods industry like all the steel, cement, bricks. Then of course all the iron steel industries comes under the intermediate goods industry. Next, we based on the ownership, we have the three different types of the industries: public sector undertakings, private sector undertakings, and joint sector undertakings. Public sector undertaking where the whole contribution, cooperation, management, operations, everything is done by the public sector. Like we have the ONGC, Indian Oil, BHEL, SAIL, BSNL, and many more. Next, we have the private sector where operations, management, and ownership, everything is done by the individuals or the groups of individuals. Like we have the ITC, which is producing different various products. Along with that, we have the Reliance, we have the TCS Tata, which is known as the Tata Consultancy Services and all. Then we have the joint sector undertaking where the public and private partnership are exist, means where in the total capital some of the portion belongs to the government and rest of the portion belongs to the private sector. So Goa Carbon Limited or even the Cochin refineries, these are the example where there is a government and private partnership exist. Next we have, based on the capital, we have the 9 types of the industries are there. So in this we have the large industry, mega industry, micro enterprise, small enterprise, medium enterprise, cottage industries, ancillary industries, tiny industries, and household industries. So let us start with large industries where the investment is more than 10 crores but less than 100 crores, known as the large scale industries, where the investment is more than 100 crores like the metro projects in Hyderabad and rest of the all capital cities of the India. They are like we have the Mumbai Metro, Hyderabad Metro, which is done by the L&T group. They are considered as a mega industries. Next we have micro industries where the investment can be up to 1 crore rupees. Then we have the small industries where the investment can be up to 1 crore to 10 crore rupees. Then we have the medium industries where the investment from the 10 to 50 crores. Then we have the cottage industry. In this there is a no limit on the investment because the investment is very low, because these type of the industries are basically located in the rural areas or in the villages. Then we have the ancillary industries are there. Those means the industries which are producing the spare parts for any kind of the items. So basically under this we have the automobile industries are, and moreover defense equipments industries comes under this. So here the investment limit is up to 1 crore rupees. Next we have the tiny industries. Here the investment is up to 25 lakhs. Then we have the household industries. These are basically belongs to the artisans, means now here there is no investment because these persons are work from home and they, whatever the capital or investment they are having with them, it may be the thousands, it may be in the lakhs, they are starting with that. So basically the persons those who are preparing bangles, the persons those who are preparing the small jute bags, the persons those who are preparing the snacks, sweets, wafers at home, all the household ladies, male, females, all the persons are comes under this household industry.